This is Carmine from Umberto's, and this is Cooking with Carmine. Today we're going to be making a Penne Puttanesca. So I'm going to start out by getting our pan hot. I'm going to add olive oil to our pan, add a little butter, going to add our garlic. Our garlic is starting to get a little color to it. We're going to add our anchovies. Now we're going to add capers, sliced black olives, and some cocktail olives. We're going to deglaze the pan with some white wine. We're going to add some stock. I like to use chicken stock. And I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of marinara. Because the anchovies are so salty, I'm not going to add any more salt to it. I'm going to add a little pepper, a little parsley, a tiny pinch of flour to thicken. And we're going to let this simmer down nicely. On these dishes, I like my sauces to be a little more on the loose side, not as thick as my sautés. So now we're going to be plating our sauce. Nice pieces of anchovies on top. As always, we're going to finish with a little parsley. Bon appetit.